Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Buick Enclave Premium. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe down below, and let's jump right into it. So first things first, we'll start off with the key. You have your unlock, lock, remote start, panic, and we can also open up the tailgate. Up front, we have these nice LED accents on the headlights. You can also see the Buick logo in the center. Nice chrome accents all the way around with a blacked out grille. You can also see your camera up here for the 360 vision. Holes in the bumper for your parking sensors. Really nice premium looking front end. We also do have these blacked out wheels wrapped in Continental tires. This one has the Sport Touring package, so you're gonna have the blacked out wheels and also some blacked out trim on the back. Nice chrome accents all the way around the door handles, windows, right here, and towards the bottom of the doors. We can also open up the doors with the key in our pocket, so you can lock or unlock it. That feature is on all four of the doors, so you don't even have to take the key out of your pocket to open up this vehicle. Moving around to the back. See, we have our tail lights right there, as you can see. Buick logo in the center with chrome accents. We have our Enclave and ST logos for Sport Touring. Also, we do have this illuminated Buick logo, so you can open up the tailgate by using your foot. You can also open the tailgate by using the key or close it. All you gotta do is double tap it. And you do have a button right here that you can press to open it up as well. So we have dual exhaust tips. You can see the little holes in the bumper for our parking sensors. You also do have a receiver down here that you can open up. So you can see right there, if you opt in to put a tow hitch, you can add that right there and have everything hooked up. Back here you can see all of our storage space. More storage underneath. This is with the third row down. If you want to raise those up, you can press up on either of these switches. This one raises up the right side, and this one raises up the left side. So here's our storage space with the third row up. You can also lower those back down by pressing below. Same thing on both sides. Go ahead and raise those back up. Another way to close the tailgate is to push this button right here, and it'll come down nice and easy for you. Here's where you put your gas in at, so if the vehicle's unlocked, all you have to do is push and it'll open right up for you. You have a capless gas fill system, so no need to unscrew a gas cap. To put it back, you just push and you can feel it lock into place. Inside, you can see we have the nice beige accents all the way around. We can also lift up the second row for nice, easy access to the third row. So let's go ahead and hop inside. So we'll go ahead and put this seat back up so you can get an idea of the third row space. Not the best in the world, but I fit, but it is pretty tight. I'm about 6 foot tall. Here's the headroom. This is about eye level for me. You can see we have our own AC vent back here. On both sides, we have cup holders, phone hookups, everything like that. Also on this side, this seat doesn't have it, but if you want to get out nice and easy, this side has a lever that you can push, and it'll raise up the seat just like that so you can get out nice and easy. Now what we'll do is move up to the second row. So that's what that seat looks like when it's raised up. We have storage behind the driver and passenger side. We have heated seats in the second row, all of our AC controls in one place. We also have a 3-prong outlet and 2 USB ports. We also do have our own sunroof that you have to open up front. same beige accents up front. You'll notice on the door we have a few different controls. So we have an automatic driver's side window. We can fold in the mirrors by pushing this button. You'll also see that little car right there in the mirror. That will light up orange if something's in your blind spot. You can also fold those back out by pushing it again. We have memory seats up front, so we have two different settings with an exit setting. We also do have a full power driver's seat, so you can move it forwards, backwards. You can lift up the lower portion or lower it. You can raise the whole seat up or down. And you can also recline the seat backwards or forwards. You have fully adjustable lumbar on the middle of the back. Let's go ahead and hop inside. See the Buick logos light up as soon as you get in. We'll put on the foot on the brake, and then we'll hit the start button, and she comes to life. So as you can see, we have paddles behind the steering wheel, so you can shift down or up through gears. You also do have your cruise control buttons, forward collision gap adjust, so you have 3-car, 2-car, and 1-car lengths. Heated steering wheel right there as well. You also do have buttons behind the steering wheel, so you can go up and down through your music. On the left side and on the right side, you can turn your volume up or down. This steering wheel is telescoping, so you can move it backwards, forwards, down, or up. On the center screen, you can control that by using this side. You also have hands-free voice commands and call dropping, so you can go up and down, left and right, and hit enter. On that screen, you're going to have an information tab that will show you your speed, trip odometers, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, air filter life, timer, oil temperature. You also do have an audio, navigation, phone, and settings tab. We have an electronic parking brake that you can activate by putting your foot on the brake, hitting that button, and it'll cut right on for you. Same thing to cut it off, foot on the brake, hit the button, and that'll release it. We also do have heads-up display, so you can turn the brightness up or down, change your information, and move the heads-up display up and down. So here's our heads-up display. As you can see there, we have our miles per hour and a few different tabs. I believe this one is audio and navigation. That will activate when it's taken out of demo mode. We can also adjust our brightness on this middle screen by scrolling this up or down. You also do have Bose premium audio in this vehicle, as you can see there. You also do have a couple different tailgate controls, so you can open it up all the way, 3/4 or off. If you push this button in the center, it will open up that back hatch right there. And if you want to close it, you can just hit it again, and it'll close it right back for you. Here's our start button. You also do have this electronic precision shifter. So you push for park, pull back for reverse. As soon as you hit reverse, you can see the 360 cameras pull up. So you can see behind you, in front of you. You have the zoomed in front, zoomed in back. You can see your back tires, front tires, and you also do have a line for the back that you can turn on or off for parking spots. You can also cut off the surround vision by pushing that button. You can push for neutral, pull for drive, and then push for L mode. You have a wireless charging pad, 2 different USBs. You also have an SD card right there for the navigation, 2 cup holders that you can cover up or have open, and the center console. Center console has a removable storage tray, as you can see there. You also do have cooled and heated seats on the driver and passenger side. Automatic climate control. You also do have dual zone climate. So my side can be different from the passenger side, as demonstrated here. We have our home. We can seek through our music, turn our volume down or up, and mute or unmute. You can also go back. So in this center screen, we have our audio tab, which is your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Bluetooth. Also, you have a phone, navigation tab, Wi-Fi hotspot, user settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also do have all of these apps as well, so you can control the rear climate, front climate, camera, My Buick, Sirius XM, all that stuff. You also do have this main screen that'll show you what music is playing, and you also have your navigation right here as well. You have automatic stop start, so you can cut that on or off. We have our hazards. We have our front and back parking sensors that we can have on or off, and the lane keep assist that we can have on or off. You have a driver's AC vent right here and on this side, and for the passenger AC vents, you have a couple on this side as well. Have the glove box down below with plenty of storage space. Beige seats up front, completely wrapped in leather. These are super comfortable, heated and cooled. You also do have the rear view mirror that you can turn to a camera by flipping it down or up, as you can see there. When it's in camera mode, you do have a few different settings. You can turn the brightness up or down. You can zoom in or out, or you can move it down or up. You have all of your OnStar buttons in one place. Couple different map lights. You can also open up the sunshade for the back sunroof, just like that. And if you want to close it just like that. That sunroof does not tilt open or open at all. You also do have a sunshade for the front sunroof. To open that up, you just push and it opens just like that. To open up that sunroof, you can just hit this button and it'll slide right open for you. And to close it, you just hit the other side and it'll close for you. You can also tilt open the sunroof or close it. 3 different garage door openers, and we also do have a sunglasses holder as well. Makeup mirror for the driver and passenger. But super nice premium interior, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and take one last look at the outside. I'll also show you guys the window sticker so you know how much this one costs. But those headlights look really good when it's on, as you can see there. But make sure you guys comment down below. What do you guys think of the 2024 Buick Enclave? Would you rather have this or a different 3-row SUV for the price? Let me know down below. All right, so moving around to the window sticker. Like I said before, this is a 2024 Buick Enclave Premium front-wheel drive. White frost tri-coat exterior with a whisper beige seats with ebony accents. This has a 3.6 liter V6 with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Base price of the Buick Enclave Premium front-wheel drive is going to be $51,200. This one has all of these packages on it. So with destination charge, it comes out to $58,380. Gas mileage is going to be 21 combined, 18 city, 26 highway. And here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause it and take a look at it. But that's it for now. If you guys are still watching, I appreciate you guys watching until the very end. If you guys enjoyed taking a look at this vehicle, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below to help out the channel. Also, you'll see a few different videos in the corners here. If you see any vehicles there that interest you, make sure you click on those as well. But that's it for now. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.